Welcome to Nell 2 Model Railway. I'm John. This is the place where we design and scratch build, kit build, and do lots of scenery. Well, I was going to do a TMD as well as having a brand new layout, but space has precluded that, so the TMD is no more. As we know, life and model railways don't always mix very well. So I've had to make a few amendments to things from the real world. Therefore, things have been condensed, and for my model railway, it really is going to be separated into 4 cameos that can be scenery but do link. I started constructing the framework, and a bit of a schoolboy error. I thought might as well build it all at the same level, as I can incorporate different heights where, for example, at Wandsworth Town, the railway is above street level, and in other areas it's at street level. But I changed halfway through and decided to do the framework in different levels so I could actually have raised areas which I felt would be more easy to scene with plaster cloth, etc. So here you see the raised sections going across Beverley Brook all the way around through Wandsworth Town, and you may just be able to see how the road is going to go under the railway at Wandsworth Town, and Wandsworth Town Station would be to the left of that. Which is what you see here with the number 22 bus, which doesn't go anywhere near Wandsworth Town, but I just like the 22 bus route.